Another snow day. Another day to go back on a fat bike. Let's go.
Quick, lend me your ear. I can make your memories disappear. Let me turn enemies into dearly beloved. Round true when you barely recover. Game changer, change maker, track record breaker, earth shaker, ground breaking, head in the clouds, but there's no cloud chasing. Run for it, pick up the pace, overcome, overcompensate, go faster, keep in time, final lap and I see the finish line. No take, or give. Give it all you got, give it love, just don't give a shit. No take, or give. Give it all you got, give it love, just don't give a shit. Subatomic, force a habit, take it for myself, then I might just
weird,
I'm in
because I've never
charge,
ridden this
like a proton,
in the snow.
undemocratic, not something you
And
can vote on. Everywhere
this
I go, I
section's
set the
got
tone, can't complain, I never moan, can't have
ton of
highs without
roots.
the lows, either prize, I'm hitting goals, I'm in the
We'll see
fold,
how
I
it's
break the
going.
mold, I can't be told, I'm a dream that can't be sold, yeah, I gotta run for it.
And I'm like that.
No take, or give. Give it all you got, give it love, just don't give a shit. No take, or give. Give it all you got, give it love, just don't give a shit.
That section sucked. It sucks on a regular mountain bike when it's not snowy. Oh. Ooh, got a little air on that one. Don't judge me. Yeah, I know I'm slow. You got four-wheel drive. Yeah, that's what I thought. Come to my blind. Oh. So over there is the RC car track, BMX/skate park. Bunch of the Reagan trail back that way that I'm bypassing. So yeah, I want to see if these deer that just went down the hill go over the jump and around the berm. That'd be funny. They went down there. Never did this part in the snow. Let's see how this goes. I don't think I should do the berm though. This berm I'll do. Alright. Time to die. Do I have enough speed to hit the jump? Nope. Oh, that's gonna suck in the morning. My foot slipped off the pedal and I just impaled my shin. But it was all fun. Here we go. Over. No, I went the wrong way. Not bad. I got the line back up. Can't see the line with the snow. It's actually right there. Alright, take two on the correct line this time. Oh, go jump. That was fun. I gotta turn around and climb back up. God damn it. Oh. Struggle bus. Yeah. I put my tire pressure down to 3. And at least on this snowy driveway section here, it's like butter. We'll see what it does when I hit roots though on the trail up there. Modified version of Reagan Trail today. My left hand is finally starting to get a little cold. Well, here you go. Last little fun section before I get done. I normally jump this right here, but not on the Fatbike. Little uphill, bad. I gotta get a new derailleur. Oh. That's a big old tree. Determined to get out and ride in all weather conditions, and as much as this sucks, it's still better than doing nothing. You get to enjoy nature, get a little healthy. Yeah, I mean, what else could I be doing? There's no ice, so you can't ice fish. Yeah, oh, probably right now. So, as I ride back to the car, I've often had thoughts about why I do social media and stuff like that. And, you know, I do it as a little hobby, just something to showcase the things I do. But you see some of the stuff out there that's all set up, where they do stuff just for attention, not to showcase nature or stuff like that. And you sort of think, maybe if I just rode my mountain bike in a thong with my dong hanging out, I'd get more followers or stuff like that. But that's obviously not how a lot of people do it. And a 250-pound man, oh, there's a deer with snow on it over there looking at me while I talk. 250-pound man in a thong riding a bike doesn't just sound nice. Hill without stopping. Let's see.
From the #1 station, this is a story about love. A love story.
Yay. I used to coach lacrosse games there, and we always won. How's it going? That's right. Yeah, at least you're doing it. Ooh, there's a jump. It's always good to finish your ride with two big hills. Shock the system, you know. Well, that sucked, but at the same time, it was good to get out. It's an experience to try to ride a fat bike in snow like that, and you're cutting first tracks. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Try to do something different, just talk about some stuff. It's like a vlog form today, but yeah, enjoy, be safe. Bye.
Loving you was a crime, then I know I'll be in prison a long time. 'Cause I love you so, and I want the whole wide world to know. Out of sight, not the might is our tears.